Listing merchant fulfilled inventory via InventoryLab is quick and straightforward. To get started, head to the List and Prep page and click Start a Batch. By default, the batch name will be the date and time when you created the batch, but you can customize it now. It's best to name it something easy to remember. You may want to reuse the batch later for things like replenishing the same set of items. Under Channel, choose Merchant Fulfilled. Now, hit Batch Settings. On the next screen, you'll see an option to select your min and max preference. Here, you'll have 3 choices. Save to InventoryLab is a good choice if you don't use Amazon's Repricer and don't want Amazon to know your price range. Your minimum and maximum prices will be saved to your MSKU in InventoryLab and only shared with repricers you've integrated with, such as Smart Repricer. You can also export them anytime if you'd like to upload them to other tools. Send to Amazon will send your price ranges to Seller Central when you submit your batch. Most sellers use this option because it can help prevent Amazon from shutting down your listings with high pricing errors. If you use Amazon's Repricer, it will also use your min-max prices automatically. The prices will be sent to any other integrated repricer and saved to your MSKU, just like with Save to InventoryLab. If you don't want to set min-max prices for this batch, choose Do Not Capture. You also have the ability to import a buy list from Scoutify or a file you created. If you do not want to import a buy list, just keep the option for no buy list selected. Once you're happy with your choice, click Start Your Batch. From here, you'll be all set to start adding your items. Thanks for watching.